Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the great deals going on Amazon. So let's dive in. All right, well, to get us started, we're going to start off with this Alloy Man 2-in-1 digital tape measure. This is a pretty cool item that someone sent for me to check out, and this thing is really cool. I like it because, number one, it is just a regular tape measure as well, if you want to just use it for that. But it also has a little digital gauge at the top, so that's nice. You can always stretch this thing out, and it will tell you exactly what it is. I like it because it has multiple units, so if you want to use feet and inches, or if you want to use meters or whatever else, you can use that. Also, you can build a box, so you can use it for multiple different functions and stuff like that. But it's really cool. I think it's a cool thing just to kind of keep with you at all times. You can keep it in your pack or keep it in your vehicle. It's a great item, really cool thing to, again, just use. Has a little lanyard. All you have to do is charge it right there, so super easy. But even if you don't charge it, like say you're at the job site and it dies, you still have the numbers on here. So that's pretty nice. But this is a really cool item. Again, I think this is really neat. They sent me this to check out. I'll put this for a link in the description. But on here, it's only $32. So that's really nice. 32 bucks. So you can use that, save some money, do a great job. I think it's a really cool item. Next, we're going to check out another item here. And this is DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver. This is a great deal right here for 139 bucks. I think that's a great deal. We've seen these deals going on like on Black Fridays and stuff like that. But for right now, this is a great deal. 42% off. Again, DeWalt's going to be a great brand for you. 20-volt max drill driver and power tool combo kit. You get the charger right there, as well as both of the tools. I mean, I think that's great. So if you're looking to get into DeWalt, 20 volts going to be great. Works really well, so highly recommend that. Next, we have the DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set. Again, I think this is a great little set. It's only 15 bucks. You get 35% off, so you get to save pretty good amount of money there. But great little thing. Again, DeWalt, solid brand. They're going to make good parts, good pieces, and so you can get the drill driver combo set. You can also get this little piece right here. So I think that's a great little find for you. So good, both and there. Next, we have the Stanley Vacuum. So again, Stanley's a good brand, but you can save 10% off of this vacuum right here, wet shop vac, wet dry vac. So if you need one of these for your shop, again, it's going to be a good thing. We've used ours a lot. We've been working on our dishwasher. Hopefully I'll be able to fix that and have a video out for you guys soon. But that's what we're working on right now. And so shop vac is something you use all the time. So you need a good one, good brand. This is pretty good. Get 10% off of that. So solid job on that. Again, Stanley's a good brand. It's going to do a good thing. So if you don't have one, check that one out. This is a mini chainsaw. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. And I have a lot of trees where I live. I use chainsaws all the time. I have a pole saw, a chainsaw, but a lot of things that I use are really small. Or a lot of things I'm working on outside, just cutting little limbs and stuff like that. And someone sent me this to check out. This is the little chainsaw right here. This is a really cool little small chainsaw. I like it a lot, and I have used it this weekend, and this thing is fun. It keeps up. It does a great job. It comes, again, you can see right here, comes with a couple different batteries, comes with multiple different blades, which is super nice. I like that it has this little protector on the top as well. So when you use it, you're not, you have the protector part. Has gloves, glasses, charger. Like I said, it has 2 batteries, which is really cool. But this thing is great. I used it on small stuff, medium stuff, and even some of the bigger stuff. And this thing works really well. And so if you need some type of mini chainsaw, if you just got some stuff you need to cut up, maybe you even are splitting wood and you need to cut some of those smaller pieces, this thing works really well. Again, it has a little guard on it, but I like it. I mean, this is great. Like I said, I've been looking for one of these, and they sent me one to check out, and this thing has worked really well. So highly recommend this as well. Leave that link in the description. 50 bucks, 29% off. I think it works great. It's an awesome idea. Next, we have this little Ego battery. And so I know in the last Ace video, they had some Ego items and people were asking for some of these. So you can save right here, 28%, and get an Ego battery for $130. I haven't tried one of these items yet, but this would be something I'd be interested in if somebody wants me to check them out. but I've never tried this, but it is #1 bestseller in cordless tool battery packs. So something you should check out if you have one of these. This is a great idea. Next, we have just a mini cordless rotary tool kit. So a little Dremel. This one right here, 25 bucks. If you need some type of Dremel, this is a great one for you to check out. You got the 5-speed, the USB charging. It comes with multiple different options right here, multiple different covers, multiple different little things. So if you want to grab some of these, has all the bits and everything you might need for the Dremel. But again, this one's a lot cheaper. So if you're just going to be using it for DIY purposes, I think this is a great thing you can pick up. Not a big deal. Pick it up, 25 bucks. That's pretty good. Again, it might go a little bit cheaper than that, but I just thought this was a good little find for a small Dremel or something just to kind of keep on hand if you're going to be doing some DIY stuff. Another item we got right here is this tire inflator. Compact and portable, automatic, shut-off LED light, bare tool only though. So if you're in the DeWalt brand, this thing right here is only 120 bucks. Get 20% off right now, so you get to save a little bit on that. So pretty good deal. You can check that out. But again, I think that's going to be a great brand for you, a great item. So check it out, see what you think. DeWalt's good. So another fun tool I think right here is this Klein 11-in-1 screwdriver nut driver set. I love a little combo item, and this thing is great. Klein is one of the best brands, and this is going to do a good job for you. Only $14.50. You get to save 41% of this, or for this. Again, has a bunch of different options. Has, probably has the different screwdrivers right here. We can check different screwdrivers you can see on this right here. Then it even has the hex bits and stuff like that. So get a bunch of different cool options. Klein's going to do a good job. It's going to last a long time. And again, 14 bucks, not too bad for that. So pretty good right there. #1 bestseller, 7,000 bought this month. So pretty cool item. I think it's going to be a good one for you. Another item right here, Craftsman Pliers. These are great. Craftsman's a great brand. They're going to do a good job for you. 15 bucks for 2 set of pliers. The groove joint set here. I think it's a great price for that. Again, you'll see good prices for this at Lowe's. You can get some good deals. But if you just want a great deal right now, if you need some of these pliers, 15 bucks, great pickup for that. You can snag that, save you some money. Definitely going to be a good idea. So that's a great thing to grab. Craftsman's a good brand. It's going to be good. 6,000 bought this month, so that's good. Next, we have the DeWalt cordless router, brushless tool only. So again, if you're in the DeWalt brand, this is a great thing to pick up. 44% off. So get it almost half price, 135 bucks. The cordless router. So if you're in need of one of these, do some woodworking or again, just DIY stuff, it's a good brand. DeWalt, again, is one of those medium to higher brands. They're going to be a good job. I know a lot of my contractor friends use DeWalt, and so this is going to do a good job for you, and especially a great price. So if you're looking at getting one of these, I think this is a great idea to grab one. 135 bucks. That's solid. Get a good tool. You will need the battery though. So again, make sure you have the 20-volt battery. So if you buy the combo kit from earlier, you can use it on this. So next, we have the DeWalt 20-volt max circular saw, 6.5-inch blade. Again, this is bare tool only. So again, if you have in all the DeWalt tools, you can grab some of these deals. 38% off, $99. So that's a pretty good deal for DeWalt. Again, if you need one of these circular saws, you can grab one, and it's going to be a good item, going to be a good find. DeWalt, again, like I've mentioned, great brand. Has the 20-volt, which is pretty common. I think I have one behind me. I think it's actually, I'm using it upstairs on a project. So, but DeWalt, I have one. I like my DeWalts. They work really well. That's what people have, my in-laws have given me, and I like it a lot. DeWalt's a great brand. Good pickup, 38% off. Next, we have, I don't know how you exactly say this, Fantique, maybe, I don't know. But I've just seen this a lot. A lot of people have grabbed this and used this, and I've seen a lot about this, about other people and other all over the place from all kind of videos I watch. This thing has been working well. So mini electric screwdriver, precision electric screwdriver. So if you need to grab one, I saw it, 13% off, thought it was a good deal, and thought, if you need one of these, this is a great one a lot of people are buying. So 70 bucks seems a little high, but again, you get a pretty good deal right here. #1 bestseller in powered screwdrivers. So if you're going to be doing a lot of like precision stuff, small stuff, you can check this out. Save a little bit of money, do a good job. Next, we have Skill 5-inch random orbital sander. So I like Skill a lot. They're super nice. I have some Skill items. They've been sending me some stuff to review, which I will come out and review. I've actually already shot the videos, and they'll come out later. But Skill does a great job. Right here, we have the orbital sander with Cyclone dust box, 3-piece sanding sheet. You can get some of these, again, these sanding pieces right here. But 30 bucks, pretty good price, almost 20% off. Good idea to grab you one of these. Skill's a great brand. They're going to do a good job, good solid job for you. So definitely recommend that. Another cool item we have right here is the Black & Decker 20-volt max cordless drill driver. This right here is a solid drill, and it's only 40 bucks. You get a little drill bit with it, and then you also get a charger. I right here have the Black & Decker. This is one of the first ones I started with. Again, one of the first drills I started with, and I love it. It works well. It's still going strong, and so that was one of the first ones I ever had. I even have a little small blower with it, but I've used this thing for years. No telling how long I've had it. It's held up to a lot of stuff. I've used it a lot. So Black & Decker, great brand, gonna do a good job. Next, we have the small Klein MultiBit screwdriver nut driver. This is the 6-in-1 little stubby thing. I think this is just a fun little thing to keep on hand if you're going to be doing small stuff, keep in your pack, keep in your truck, maybe even everyday carry, keep in your pocket if you're going to be fixing small stuff. This is a fun little thing. It's funny, the little stubby stuff does actually come in handy if you're trying to fix small things in small spaces. So again, this might be good, might be a good little gift for someone for Christmas or something. But right here, 33% off, great deal, 11 bucks. I think that's great. Check that out. You know, again, Klein does a good job. That's going to be a great seller. Awesome. Next, we have this 32-piece Hex Key Wrench Set. Again, right here, great deal, 26% off. It's only 10 bucks. So if you need a Hex Key set, this is a great one just to go ahead and grab. It even has like an extender. So if you need to get some of that extra leverage, I think that's really cool. Great thing to pick up. And then we also have the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill driver kit. This comes with the batteries, just a regular drill, and then also the charger as well. So again, if you wanted to grab any of that stuff, you can grab one of these, get the batteries, and they will hopefully help you out right there. But 99 bucks, 45% off, so that's pretty good. But great pickup, 45% off, 99 bucks. Great, DeWalt's a good brand, gonna do a solid job for you here. Then we have, this is just a basic drill that I wanted to show you guys. 32 bucks. You get a lot of drill bits and a lot of other pieces for it. It's not going to be your top end. It's not going to be something you want to use every day. But if you want to have just a basic, small, or maybe you want to give a gift to someone that just moved into a house or getting started in DIY or whatever that might be, or if you just want a basic low-end drill, this is one you should check out. 20-volt cordless drill, power drill set. Again, it's going to do a good job. 32 bucks. You can try this and kind of get you started. Try it and see which brand you might want to go with after that. And then we have this 14-in-1 multi-tool with safety locking and professional stainless steel. I think this is a cool idea. Right here, 12 bucks. You get all these kind of fun things. This is a great thing to keep in your pack, maybe even to give as a gift or just to have fun with. And so I think this is a fun item. My son just got his first pocket knife, and so I've kind of started looking at these little fun things to kind of, again, add into some of that fun stuff that he likes. So this is a cool thing. Again, check that out. I think it's neat. And then lastly, we have the DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set with nut drivers. Again, down 30% to $23.85. And so I think that's a great little set. I like DeWalt, again, like I mentioned, it has a lot of the items here, a lot of cool features and a lot of cool stuff. So I think it's a lot of great items you can check out, save you some money, help you kind of get started in some DIY, maybe build your tool section up or even just add in a few things like that. I think there's some great deals, a lot of percentage off. You're going to save some money. This thing works really well. But overall, I think these things are great. Hopefully you like some of these deals and you're going to be able to save you a little bit of money. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I also have all these items down in the description, so if you'd like to help out the channel, you can check those items out down there. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.